Take a look at these videos I got from a TikToker.
Yeah, your car is sick. What do you do for a living?
I have my own business.
Okay. Any industry in particular?
Software.
What do you do for a living? Software? Computer? Awesome, man.
As you see, they got most of their wealth in selling software. Selling software is one of the most profitable and lucrative business that you can do today. Since it's a digital product, your profit margin could go as high as 100%. However, starting a software business isn't that easy. You need to invest a lot of time and money in the beginning. You need to hire professional programmers and web developers. They are not cheap though. And you need to spend a lot of money and time on the development and marketing of the software. And after you have done developing software, you aren't even sure if that software will sell. That's why we offer reselling our best-selling software called Cosmic Club Store. It is an e-commerce platform that has a POS system with an inventory and sales management system, capable of handling any physical products. It's a system that can be opened on multiple devices, online or offline, all at the same time and anywhere in the world. Our record shows that for the past 3 months, we sold the software to around 122 clients. That's around 40 clients per month. So, if my reselling price is at 1,490 pesos and you sell the software for 4,960 pesos, you'll be able to earn 138,800 pesos in 1 month. That is a net 1 monthly income, 100% profit margin. And since this software could be used for any physical products and can be accessed anywhere in the world, you can sell this to any type of retail business in any place all over the world. Also, this is a white label program, meaning you sell all the features and functionality of the software or app, but the names is no longer Cosmic Club Store. It's your own choice. Now, here's a little background of myself and the software. June 2015 is the time when I started my own online grocery business serving the city I am currently living in. I use a grocery e-commerce app that I developed for this online grocery business. In January 2017, I found out that the grocery app that I've developed is marketable. Thus, I started selling it this time. During a pandemic, in March 2020, my overall sales for this month alone went about 10 million pesos selling the software. And since then, I continually keep on updating and developing the software. Last March 2024, I added 3 major features to the app: the POS system, inventory system, and sales system. And that's how I got more than 40 people who availed and used the app every single month. Here's how our reseller program works. We will provide you a reseller website and a reseller dashboard. People can avail your software by registering to your reseller website, pays you the software price, and monitor them in your reseller dashboard. So let's say you have a client and pays you your software price of 4,960 pesos. My asking price of the software is 30% or 1,490 pesos, whichever is higher, and you will get a big slice of the pie, which is 70%. Since the client pays you 4,960 pesos, you will get 3,470 pesos. And we in Club Store will get the remaining amount of 1,490 pesos. By the way, paying us the 30% or the 1,490 pesos can be done in bulk or lump sum payments. No need to hurry. You have a maximum of 7 days before you give it to us. Consequently, there are 2 different programs you can resell on this program. One is called the basic account, which you can sell at 2,990 pesos or up, and we only get 1,490 pesos or 30%, whichever is higher. This is actually the product that we take as an example a while ago. Second is what we call the dedicated account. This is an upgraded version of the basic account. You can sell it at 35,990 pesos or up, but we only get the 25,990 pesos or 30%, whichever is higher. Most of our existing resellers price it at 85,990 pesos. Now, I would like to show you a sneak peek of how your reseller dashboard and your reseller website looks like. So this is your reseller or the actual reseller dashboard you will going to have when you register and avail the reseller program. And this is also your reseller website. Here in your reseller website, this is where the customer or your will going to register. They're just going to create an account, and after they create an account, they're gonna send you his or her payment. Once you receive his or her payment, their store will be listed here in your store's menu in your reseller dashboard. And then their payments will be reflected here in the billing section. One more thing is this package section here. This is where, as I've shown you ago, the amount that you'll set in your software. So, like here, this is the 1490 and this is also the 25990. Here's my challenge for you. You can walk away, close this page, ignore what I'm offering you, and choose not to resell this software. But, let me tell you this, I can guarantee that if you follow all the instructions in our reseller program, you can earn back your ROI within a month or two. Of course, it won't happen overnight. During the first few weeks, we'll need to set everything up and conduct some testing with your account. However, once everything is ready and you start acquiring customers to buy the software, you'll recover your investment quickly and start earning profits in the months that follows. How sure am I with that? Remember when I mentioned that you can earn 138,800 pesos a month by getting 40 people to buy the software? Even if you only hit half or even just a fourth of that target, you'd still be earning a substantial profit every month. Now imagine this. What if some of those 40 customers upgraded to a dedicated account? Let's say just 2 out of 40 make the leap, and you priced your dedicated account at 85,990 pesos each. That's an additional 120,000 pesos on top of your 138,800 pesos sales from the basic account, or equivalent to 258,800 pesos net profit every single month. And you don't have to wander off because I will be teaching you how to get those 40 customers in the instructional training included in your reseller account. Note that 40 is just a small number. If you look around, you will see a lot of stores that surround your place. That's actually your target customers. And again, this is not limited only to one location. You could target customers beyond the boundaries of your area. You can even target stores situated outside the country. But here's the catch. I'm offering this reseller program to only 20 people. It's because I can only do one-on-one interactions with a few people. Yes, you heard it right. With this reseller program, I will be with you, guiding you in a one-on-one session through Zoom or Messenger, but only to the first 20 people who will avail the reseller program. How much should you invest in the program? It's actually free. It's because this reseller program is already included if you avail a dedicated account. Click the button below to avail a dedicated account.